one use of the present value or PV function is to determine what is a future cash flow worth in today's money. I'm going to go to the cell and hit equal and then put in PV for present value. I'll open a parenthesis. My interest rate here is an annual interest rate, so I'll click on that and hit comma. The number of periods is the number of years until I receive the cash flow, so I'll go ahead and click on the number of years. We do not need a PMT for this particular use of the payment function, so I'm going to set that to 0. And the last thing we need is the future value, which is the amount we're going to get in X number, or in this case 3 years. So I'll click on my amount to receive and close my parenthesis. And that would be what $1,000 in 3 years at 6% is worth today. Here is my formula.